Hi there. You're back on our channel. In our last video, we talked about how kids can make money by doing odd jobs for their neighbors and other people in the community. In this video, we'll go into more detail about how to find and do odd jobs to make extra money. Let's start by talking about how to look for odd jobs. You can do this in a few ways. Ask your neighbors if there's anything you can do to help them. This could mean cutting their grass, raking their leaves, or even just giving their house a quick clean. Ask as many neighbors as you can to increase your chances of getting a job. Look on Facebook groups or community boards in your area to see if anyone needs help with odd jobs. People in your area who need part-time or temporary help with things like yard work, pet sitting, or even moving often post on these groups. Put up flyers around your neighborhood or post about your services on social media. Include your contact information, the kinds of jobs you're willing to do, and any relevant experience or skills you have. You could also make a simple website or page on social media to show off your services and make it easier for people to find you and get in touch with you. Now that you know how to find odd jobs, let's talk about some of the odd jobs you can do to make money. Lawn mowing and yard work. Many people don't have the time or energy to keep up with their yard work, so offering to mow the lawn or do other yard work can be a great way to make some extra cash. Pet sitting. If you love animals, you could offer to take care of other people's pets or walk their dogs. During the summer, when people go on vacation or need someone to take care of their pets while they are at work, this can be in high demand. House cleaning. Offer to do basic cleaning tasks like dusting, vacuuming, and doing the dishes for busy families or seniors who may not have the time or energy to do these things themselves. Parents are always looking for reliable babysitters, so if you know how to take care of kids and are responsible, you might want to think about becoming a babysitter. Tutoring. If you are good at a certain subject, you could help other students who may be struggling by becoming a tutor. During the school year, this can be very popular. Now that you know where to look for odd jobs, let's go over how to do them. Here are some suggestions. Make sure you know everything there is to know about the job before you start. This will help you figure out what tools or equipment you might need and how long the job will take. If you don't understand something, don't be afraid to ask. Be on time and dependable. Show up on time and do what you said you would. This will help you build a reputation as a trustworthy worker and make it more likely that people will hire you again. Charge a fair amount for what you do. Determine what others in your area are charging for similar jobs so you can set your own. Don't undervalue your time and skills, but also be aware of the local market and your competition. Be polite and act like a professional. This means being kind and polite to your clients, dressing appropriately, and keeping any agreements or promises you make. Remember that you're representing yourself and your business, so try to make a good impression. Thanks for watching our video about how kids can do odd jobs to make money. We hope you found these tips and ideas useful and are now ready to start helping out in your community to make some extra cash. For more money advice, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to know more about how to make money as a kid, check out our last video on the subject. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.